In front of me are the components necessary to make a Deutsch connector assembly or harness. For those of you who do not know, the Deutsch system is one of the best ways to make an electrical connection and is very popular in vehicles and equipment. A finished Deutsch assembly is environmentally sealed in both the front and back, is watertight, vibration-proof, has outstanding heat resistance, and can even be disassembled if necessary. But they can be a bit difficult to use. To create an assembly, cut and strip wire to length. Then, a contact needs to be crimped onto a wire with a special concentric crimper. Then, the stripped wire is loaded into a housing. These steps get repeated for each conductor, then any open holes are filled with a seal plug. Then, everything gets locked into place with a wedge lock. It's important to remember that the male pin goes into the female housing and the female socket fits into the male plug. While Deutsch connectors make for a great seal, they are not that easy to make and use. TIFCO enables you to have the best of both worlds with our line of Deutsch Harness Assemblies. The harnesses are made from genuine Deutsch parts that have been pre-assembled at an OE factory so a complete housing can be purchased and then used directly in an application. You still get a great watertight seal and all the benefits of the Deutsch system without the hassle of the small parts, assembly steps, and specialty tools.